Are you looking for the best 100% free VPN for Firestick and other streaming devices in 2025? One that's safe, has no data limits, no ads, and is completely private? Well, in this video, I'll show you the only free VPN I trust. It works on Firestick. Let's dive in. Why VPN for Firestick? Using a VPN while streaming online is a smart move. It protects your privacy, helps unlock geo-blocked content, and prevents internet throttling by your ISP. While paid VPNs offer amazing features, not everyone wants to pay. The problem is, most free VPNs are slow, filled with ads, or risky. But there's one free VPN that stands out: Proton VPN, and in my opinion, it's the best free VPN for Firestick in 2025. Why Proton VPN is safe and reliable. Proton VPN is based in Switzerland, a country known for strong privacy laws and not part of the 14 Eyes Surveillance Alliance. They use strong encryption and follow a strict no-logs policy. This means they never track your browsing activity, IP address, or personal data. Even better, independent audits confirm it. And unlike most free VPNs that limit you to 500 megabytes or 10 gigabytes a month, Proton VPN gives you unlimited data, completely free. No speed caps, no ads, no hidden fees. With this said, I will walk you through 3 main steps to set it up on your Fire TV. So let's begin. First, open your browser and search Proton VPN free and click on the first link of the search results. Or simply click on the link in this video description. We're going to create a free account. Regardless if you use a PC, tablet, phone, or anything in between, Proton VPN has you covered with free VPN apps for all the major operating systems. Click on the Get Proton VPN button. Click on Continue with Free right here. Enter a valid email address in the email section and click on the Start Using Proton VPN button. Proton will take a few seconds to create and secure your free account, so hold on. At this stage, set a strong password for your account. You can leave the password they have automatically generated for you, or change it to something you can remember later on. I will go ahead and change mine. When you're done entering your own password, click on the Set New Password. You now have a free account with Proton VPN you can connect to your Firestick TV. Let's move over to your Firestick device. 1. Go to Find App Store and search for Proton VPN. 2. Select the Proton VPN app from the search results. 3. Select the Get button to download and install the app. 4. Open the app on your Fire TV. It will display a code here. Copy this code and move to your phone or computer browser. Type in protonvpn.com/TV. Sign in using the account you created in Step 1. Enter the email address, then click on Next. Provide the password and sign in. This opens the verification page. Paste or enter the code displayed on your Fire TV screen. Click on Verify Code. And that's it. You have successfully signed into your Proton free account on Fire TV. Just select Connect to automatically connect to the best server location for your needs. Now your Firestick is protected with encrypted, secure internet with unlimited streaming data. If it worked for you, let me know in the comments. Drop your country and experience. It might help someone else. Smash that like button, subscribe to Paw Tech Tips for more smart tech tips, and share this video with someone. Before we go, disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. We do not promote illegal streaming or bypassing content restrictions. Always use VPNs legally and according to your country's laws.